Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello students, how are you all? I'm your teacher Sandis here, and yes, today we are back to our work. Uh, our today's topic is about how muscles work together. If you people remember, I told you people in my last lecture that muscles work in pair. Our today's whole lesson is, you can say, in detail about how the muscles work in pair. So for that, first of all, once we can repeat our few, you can say, bones here for our memory, bones and muscles also. So if I talk about this portion, just have observation of this portion. This is called shoulder. Upper this whole the upper portion arm, the bone which is present here, we call it humerus. What we call it? Humerus. On the upper side of the humerus, we are having the muscles that we call biceps. I told you people, muscles is a flesh part which is you can say all above the bone. The downward portion we call it triceps. This point here, if you just have a look of this point called elbow. Basically, this elbow is a joint which is allowing the movement of my upper arm and my lower arm. You can even have the close observation of my this movement. So today we will talk about in detail that how the muscles work in pair. So just just once closely observe this thing, that but just do the hand in this position, straight position. Whenever my hand is in the straight position, my biceps muscle relax while my tricep muscles contract. My biceps muscle relax and my triceps muscle contract. Now slowly and gradually I am bending my arm up. Whenever I will bend my arm up, now my biceps muscles contract while my triceps muscles relax. In this way, we can tell that the muscles work in pair. I guess it's very clear to you people how the muscles work in pair. Whenever I will bend my arm, my one side muscle will be contracted, my other side muscles will be relaxed, or my one side muscle is contracted and the other side muscles are relaxed. And we can say that this is allowing the, you can say, movement of my this portion of the arm. And elbow is a joint which is a joint here. Elbow is a joint which is allowing the movement of my upper arm and my lower arm. In the same way, come down on your kneecap. Here on the, just put the hand on your kneecap. Kneecap is a place where this the longest bones end here. It's a kneecap. Knee is a point here. Down the kneecap till toe, foot. What is happening? Two muscles are again working in pair. One side muscle, the front side muscles, we call it shin. The back side muscles, we call it calf. The front side muscles, we call it shin, and the back side muscles, we call it calf. So if we will just point the toe like this, just you can hold your toe like this in this position, and just move it a little bit, you will feel that your shin and calf muscles are together working, and it's allowing your foot to move in any direction. So here we can again say that yes, the muscles work in pair. So in our today's topic, we will go in detail, you can say, reading of our book, and side by side we will go through the, you can say, filling of our questions there which they have asked from us. And once again, muscles work in pair. Whenever I will bend my arm like this, my upper bicep muscles contract while my lower tricep muscles relax. Whenever I will move back my arm in the straight position, my bicep muscles relax while my tricep muscles contract, and this allows the movement of my upper arm and my lower arm. So I think so this concept become very clear to you people. Yes, muscles are giving a support to our bones. It is giving a proper, you can say, flexibility to our bones. and along with the joint. Now three things, three concepts I have introduced. One is the bone, other is the muscle, and third point is the joint. Bone, any hard portion. Above the bone, wherever it's a flesh piece, you can say this is the flesh piece, this is the flesh piece, we call it muscles. And then there are the certain joints, like this elbow joint, like the joint here, like this shoulder joint. So joints are present inside my body, and together the muscle, joint, and the, you can say, bone, it can allows us to move, and allows the movement of the body. I think so this concept is very clear, and now we can switch to the reading of this whole concept. Now for this purpose, just open your books. It's a page number 18 and 19 of your book, and our today's topic is how muscles work together. So just open your book, your highlighter or your pencil should be in your hand, because I will just mark few statements for you people to make it better understand. Okay students, come to your book and have a look of it.